Well, hospitals across Massachusetts are quickly becoming overwhelmed with COVID-19 patients.
Since Thanksgiving, the number of patients has more than doubled. At the height of the pandemic, there were nearly 4,000 patients in Massachusetts hospitals, and today there are over 2,300, and more are being admitted every day. More than 86% of the state's hospital beds are now filled, and only about a quarter of ICU beds are available. WBZ's Bill Shields talked with one nurse who described it as scary.
We've all seen the video, doctors and nurses in crisis mode, but now, after the holidays, it's getting worse.
You take a deep breath and you walk in and it's like you just gotta do it. It's kind of like going into a war zone, to be totally honest with you. Like it's frightening.
Our state's COVID cases continue to skyrocket, and there are fewer and fewer hospital beds. Even experienced healthcare professionals are taken aback at what they're seeing.
Was in the military for a few years, and there were times we trained for disasters like this, but I honestly didn't think in my lifetime I would have the opportunity to witness it. Every day we are dealing with staff and colleagues that are just exhausted.
But at least now, doctors and nurses are getting vaccinated, and some of our most vulnerable. So that will at least keep hospitals fully staffed. Still, it's been months of COVID.
We're exhausted. We're worried, we're exhausted, and that chronic feeling, it's just overwhelming us.
I think all of us have fear, but I think we do see hope. Many of us have been vaccinated.
And if doctors and nurses can tell us all one thing, it may be do your part right now, at least for the next few months. I'm Bill Shields, WBZ News.